Hey, this is Dr. McCollum, and today I'm going to show you the most important thing, the most important information for you about the 15-day challenge. And if you understand this, then you'll know why we're going to have you go through the process. So I'm going to draw a circle up here, and we're going to call that a cell, a human cell. You have 75 trillion of them in your body when I counted last. And inside the cell is a power plant called the mitochondria. You might have heard of it. It's where all energy is produced. So anytime we eat or think or do anything in life, it's the live cells that are doing it, okay? And the way the cells function is we consume stuff that gets broken down in our intestines, and it has to get into the cell, into the mitochondria to make energy. Energy allows life. But also, as the mitochondria makes energy, it also has to produce exhaust, just like what comes out of your exhaust pipe on your car as your carburetor is burning fuel. That exhaust has to get out of the cell and out of the body, or it will make you sick. So what happens is there's three major things that can affect the health of our cells and then our health and cause chronic inflammation. And we know that chronic inflammation causes chronic disease. So number one is mold. Mold is everywhere, and it's insidious. It gets into you and it can just hide in there and make you very sick and slowly deteriorate your life and your health and start causing these things called autoimmune diseases, or your body's fighting itself. The second one is heavy metals. So we have molds, then we have heavy metals, and these are things like lead and mercury, arsenic, cadmium, a lot of stuff that we get from makeup, from underarm deodorant, from the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, clothes we wear, all have these toxic metals in them. And those get in our body and they get lodged in our body, lodged in our brain, and then molds go to hang out with them because they love being around heavy metals. It's a right combination, it's a party. And then the third one is hidden infections. And hidden infections it's amazing where these things will show up. And the hidden infections cause inflammation in the body. They basically are going to put chemicals in your body from the infections that your body can't get rid of quick enough, causes the whole body to become inflamed, turns on more genetic problems, causes more inflammation, which causes more chronic disease. So what happens when all this stuff gets in the body? It makes the cell wall get swollen. So now substances can't get into the cell, because it's like if you had poison oak and your eyes were swollen shut, you can't see even though you have eyes. And you're also irritated. So when your cell walls get swollen because you have these three hidden things, then things like insulin, which would normally let sugar in the cell, can no longer push open your eyelids or no longer get the sugar in the cell. So you need more and more insulin. Pretty soon you have to have man-made insulin to push that one sugar molecule into the cell. The take home here is, if one hormone can't act on a cell, no hormones can act on a cell. So what we find is people are being treated with female hormones, with thyroid hormone, with insulin, and all these other hormones to try to push it in a very swollen cell wall, very unhealthy cell wall. So what makes more sense? More drugs to try to push this in here, or clean up the cell wall? So we're going to teach you how to clean up the cell wall by eating good oils, by doing the 15-day challenge. It's going to set your body up so it will start to heal itself correctly. So this is amazing stuff. You won't hear this anywhere else, but if you really get the concept of this, then you should go to McCollumWellness.com right now and sign up for the course. The first 30 people that sign up are also going to get a really cool ketogenic cookbook with some original recipes in it. So get in there, share this with your friends, and we'll see you. The course starts August 17th. We'll see you soon.